Good morning, it's December 27th, and today we're going to look at the S&P E-mini as well as a stock that's just been tanking. What a great downtrend, I'll show you in a minute. Starting with the S&P here, big move down since October 11th, and we broke through a couple of minor support levels and then a key one up here at 1450 or so. Now we're coming down, so we have some great shorting opportunities, still in the downtrend, but watch out for support down below. I've got some longer term fib levels, one at 1360. And another one at 1385.5. So up in that area with this horizontal blue line, let's call it 1384. We've got some support right there. So the market's not showing any sign of support yet. Intraday we can short rallies and take profits on dips, but watch out as it gets close to the support level, somewhere near 1384 in that range, 1366 to 1385. We might see some support. So that's the S&P daily chart. Here's a 60-minute chart, and here's what we're looking for. This continuous pattern of lower swing highs and lower swing lows. This downtrend pattern, we want to short rallies at fib levels. At the moment on my 60-minute chart, I've got some fib resistance up at around 1452 to 1455. Another one at 1475 to 1480. So those are some great resistance levels. There are lower resistance levels on lower time frames. So I'm just doing this because the lower time frames change so quickly. The other one worth watching at is a great stock here called DRYS, Dry Ship Inc. has been coming down. Here's a daily chart. We put in a great big double top in October. Coming down hard since then. Great for shorting action if you want to short rallies. So this is a daily chart we're just looking at, and if we would bring up a 60-minute chart, you can see here, same pattern where we have lower swing highs and lower swing lows, and this pattern just keeps coming down. So the idea is to do your fib studies on lower time frames to find those SK resistance levels. I have some video seminars that will show you how to do it real easily if you want to have a look at my website. But what we've got to do is do your fib resistance studies, find the entry levels for shorting, enter short on rallies, and take profits on dips. And that's DRYS is a great stock, provided it keeps putting in this pattern of lower swing highs and lower swing lows. If that pattern changes and we take out one of the prior swing highs and then we put in a higher swing low, then of course it's not a shorting stock anymore. So watch for DRYS, a great stock for shorting in the meantime, as well as the S&P until it reaches that fib level I just talked about where we have support coming up on the S&P.